A small boy named Frankie squirms in front of a computer screen. The teacher is drawing bundles of tens and 100s, trying to demonstrate a complex multi-step math problem. At the end of the lesson, the teacher waves goodbye and ends the Zoom call. I look over Frankie's shoulder and realize that his paper is completely blank. The lesson is over, but he hasn't really learned anything. Frankie is a second grader, and because his mom works full-time, he comes over to our house to receive help with his school. And just like many of his peers, he hasn't completely mastered doing addition and subtraction of single digits. However, most of his schoolwork is multi-step story problems that involve algebraic thinking. The mathematical curriculum in schools has changed from being based in physical, concrete interactions with numbers to being based on virtual, abstract lectures that don't engage students, and it is hurting them. The development of Common Core curriculum has pushed pre-algebraic ideas into younger and younger classrooms. How do I know? My mom has helped in elementary school math labs for about a decade, and the biggest change has been the focus shift from physical touching of manipulatives and playing games to trying to visualize abstract concepts for their age group, all while carrying things over a digital environment. 10 years ago, there would have been blocks, tiles, and objects so that kids were able to touch and understand concepts better. Now, that has been replaced with online conceptualizations and lectures. If you think back to your days in elementary school, it was mostly fun and games to help you understand things. Kids now are being asked to learn in a similar way to how math is taught in high school, with the fun taken out of most activities. Students are losing motivation and interest in math as well as school. The curriculum being taught is very mentally challenging, and some kids are being left behind. Like I said earlier, it is not unusual for a second grader to have a little difficulty doing simple addition and subtraction. But because of new Common Core standards in a technology-based format, the kids following a regular brain-developing trajectory start to think that they are dumb. Forcing these kids to push harder and harder to understand abstract mathematical concepts doesn't give them a good feeling for going to school. At this point in their life, they should be enjoying school and having fun, not being force-fed mathematical concepts that can be taught at a later time when it is more developmentally appropriate.